ready to embark on a thrilling outdoor adventure with our latest innovation, the 3-unit Royal MAPS. Designed to ignite imaginations and encourage active play, this custom-built playground equipment is every child's ticket to excitement. Introducing the 3-unit Royal MAPS, where endless fun meets endless possibilities. With a dynamic array of features including the Roto Slant Bridge, Roto Cliff Climber, Roto Jumble Climber, Roto Spiral Tunnel Slide, and Roto Straight Slide, this playground paradise is the ultimate destination for young adventurers. Picture the laughter and excitement as kids conquer the Roto Slant Bridge, scale the Roto Cliff Climber, navigate the Roto Jumble Climber, spiral down the Roto Spiral Tunnel Slide, and zoom down the Roto Straight Slide. With Royal MAPS, the possibilities for adventure are endless, providing a dynamic and engaging play environment for children to explore and grow. Introducing the 2-seater Dolphin Swing, where fun meets fantasy. With its charming dolphin structure swing, complete with FRP seats and a rainbow plate, this swing set is more than just a piece of equipment. It's an invitation to embark on a magical adventure. Introducing the Roto Twisted Climber, where thrill meets challenge. This dynamic climbing structure features a twisting design that tests agility, coordination, and bravery. Introducing the Balancing Bridge, where fun meets challenge. This dynamic structure invites children to test their coordination and agility as they navigate across its wobbly surface. With each successful step, they build confidence, strength, and resilience, all while experiencing the joy of outdoor exploration. Picture the laughter and excitement as children soar through the air on the trampoline, spin joyfully on the pony merry-go-round, and rock back and forth on the 4-seater seesaw caterpillar. With every moment, they're not just playing, they're learning, growing, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. And with customizable features available, you can create the perfect outdoor playground to suit your space and preferences, whether it's in a backyard, park, or school playground. So, whether they're bouncing, spinning, or seesawing, our outdoor playground equipment promises endless fun and unforgettable adventures for children and families alike.